If you want to change a lock screen clock on the Realme 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening settings, and now you will have to navigate into wallpapers and style. Now you will have to pick your current theme, so just go for it and tap on it. And now when you are here, just be sure that you are at the lock screen and click on your clock. So right now you can simply change the clock style, and we get actually 3 different ones. And you can also change clock font like this. We can actually find a little bit more than clock styles, and of course you can make it bigger or smaller, but not that much. Actually, you are changing the font bold effect, and here you can change the color of your clock. So yeah, that's how it actually looks. And then you can just simply click apply, but also you can turn on and off the depth effect of your clock. And when we are gonna pinch like this, we can also change the wallpaper style, but we for sure cannot do this unfortunately with the clock. And you can also add some additional information if you want, like for example steps, and then you can click apply in the right upper corner.